In regards of my Rongjeng constituency, that is not a Rongjeng constituency. Actually, it is Darugri constituency, which falls under my constituency. Uh, we are still waiting for the time for, and we are just preparing our MDC candidate also. That's we have a sitting MDC in our constituency, Mr. Hanan Arsangma, and from our point of view, there is no threat for us in my constituency because in regards of TMC and Congress party also, they are also planning to give one candidate, but I don't think so. They won't be able to win over our candidate, that means NPP candidate.
So the main fight is between the NPP and the Congress?
No, will be NPP and Congress only. There will be NPP and Congress only. There may be some NPP independent candidate also, maybe UDP candidate also. I heard like that, but it will be the main contest will be Congress and NPP only. But you know the situation in Garo Hills. Also, in TMC positions, he himself said that Dr. Mukul Song also he is not willing. He is not willing to give the candidates in Garo Hills. But I don't know. It's up to their party only. I cannot comment on TMC. Maybe it may affect the Congress. Also, is very much decimated in Bihar recently. Bihar result, but I don't think so. It may not affect or something. I can't say regarding this. Of course, so last MP election, they have done very much well. It's because of maybe some matters. You see, looking back to the history of MP in Garo Hills, RPS Sangma's parties also have won for many decades, 3 decades I think, 3 decades. So people may want to elect new in place of sitting MP, Madam Agatha that time. So that will be very much different. Every election is very much different. So it will not affect to this election also. Mr. Jainit Sabu also recently he joined in Congress, but what do I say? I don't have idea regarding, but in East Garo Hills, I can say regarding the East Garo Hills, it will not affect in East Garo Hills. Of course, will not be effect in even in Garo Hills also, in whole Garo Hills. It will not work. Sadia Rani, she's MDC, of course, but he's also this morning also. I heard that he will be going to join with the Congress, like that. I don't think so. The joining of Congress will not bring the good result for this for them also.